Okay guys, so hopefully we're going to try to install some new foot pegs on the Cbr650f. Take off the factory these ones here because I think they're kind of ugly looking. You know, we got this big rubber piece on them, which isn't very sporty looking. So we're going to put on something a little more sleek and cool looking, I think. So first we're obviously going to take off the stock foot pegs, and to do that, let me get a flashlight here. To do that, we just have to remove this little piece right here, and then all this will come out. So that's what we're gonna do. So first we're gonna bend these back. Okay. Oh, there we go. Let's see, hopefully I bent that, and now I want to pull this out. Okay, cool. This will come out. Keep that pin, keep this spring. Okay, so here's our old one off. All right, now let's see. This is what we're working with. All right, so this is our aftermarket foot pegs here. I believe this one then. Yeah, okay, so the setup is this piece here, this here, and it comes with 2 bolts and a washer. Take off this piece here. And then you're gonna get your bolt. And just drop this into here. That'll fall through like that, right? And then this will be on that, and you screw that in. So let me just get an Allen key. Drop that in there. Get that. And tighten these down. Easy. Oh yeah, that'll be cool. That'll be nicer. That will be nicer. All right, put this piece like this and this piece like this, like that. There we go. But look at that. So now we just get this guy here, and we're gonna straighten it out and put it back through and open it up. Oh yeah. Open her up. So that's how that looks. And we're going to repeat that same thing on the other side. Okay. Got that. So now I'm going to put the crush washer on. There we go. Ha! Okay. That took a minute. Well, there we go. Just got to throw that pin back in there, right? In here, like that. Now. There we go. That looks cooler, I think. Cooler than these big old ugly things. Alright, that's it guys. Always remember to add the crush washers if you're supplied with crush washers.